What a bright day today. We are on a series of video, and that topic is how you can balance chemical equation. We have done rule 1, we have done rule 2. So if you have not watched them, please check on rule 1 and on rule 2. Then you shall see how to balance the chemical equation 1 and 2. Now let us go. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. It will help you to get other videos uploaded for your consumption. Now we shall see what we have. Rule 4 now. A balanced chemical equation should contain the smallest possible whole number coefficient. Isn't that interesting? The number must not be too ambiguous. The numbers must not be too big. We are talking of chemical equation, not nuclear reactions, chemical. So the numbers must be very simple. The numbers must be whole number. They must not be decimal. They must not be fraction. So take note of this as we progress. Now look at this. Balance the following chemical equations. And number 1, you have Na plus H2O, go to this arrow, we call it go to. Now it gives us NaOH plus H2. This is an equation that you are asked to balance. Have you taken your pen? Have you taken your book? So write them down and see how you can balance it. Let us move on now. Now look at another one. H2 plus Cl2 go to ACl. This is another one that you need to balance here. Now go to another one. We have H2 here, SO4 plus, there should be plus here, KOH. Now arrow forward, it gives you K2SO4 plus H2O. So get these written down and get ready to get them balanced. Now look at, let's do this, the solution. The solution, you have Na plus H2O go to NaOH plus H2. One more time, this is the reactant side and this is the product side. Now, how many sodium do we have at the reactant side? 1. How many hydrogen at the reactant side? 2. How many oxygen at the reactant side? 1. Now look at this one, similar thing. How many hydrogen at the product side? We have 1. How many hydrogen at the product side? We have 3. Sodium is 1, hydrogen 3, and oxygen is 1. So looking at this now, you can see that they are not balanced. Sodium is 1, sodium is 1, hydrogen is 2, hydrogen is 3, oxygen is... So hydrogen has made it a non-balanced equation. Yes, the number of hydrogen atoms are not equal. To balance this, you can only write as coefficient. Never try to change the subscript. Now let us see. Now if you put 2 at the back of Na plus 2H2O, go to 2 NaOH plus H2 here. You get to see that sodium is now 2 at the reactant side. Sodium is also 2 at the product side. For hydrogen, 2 times 2 has given us 4, and you can see 2 here because of this plus at the middle. We have another 2 here, makes it 4. Now for oxygen, this 2 is affecting this oxygen, so this oxygen is 2 here. This 2 is also affecting this oxygen and thereby makes it 2. You can now see by doing this, don't just write it here. Don't just write it down here. You must write the real balanced equation here. So if you put 2, you have to put 2, you have to put 2 here, you have to put 2 here. This will have to remain as it is. This is how you will know that you have balanced a chemical equation. And now with this, you will understand that it is very